Some people in West Massachusetts are waking up in the dark this morning after strong winds blew through the area overnight. There are still about 5,700 customers in western Massachusetts without power, according to the latest MEMA outage map. Our 22 News crew also saw some damage on streets in Springfield, including a tree in the road on St. James Avenue. We also saw a telephone pole that had been knocked sideways on Tremont Street. Springfield police also tweeted out a picture of a large tree down on a house on Middlebrook Drive. If you can safely take photos of any damage, you can email them to us at report@wwlp.com. Munson is another area that was hit hard by the winds overnight. Munson police told 22 News the intersection of Munn and East Hill roads was closed due to fallen debris. They also said that even though crews have been working throughout the night, there's still a lot of smaller debris on the roads, and you're advised to be cautious when heading out the door this morning.